Now numerical is same, just the coordinates are different. Okay, whatever the numerical yesterday we have seen, it is one and the same. Okay, now triangle defined by 3 points. So now these three coordinates can be anything. Instead of triangle, you can have rectangle, you can have a line. Okay, so there is no problem, or you can have a single point. So, but procedure will remain, step for the solution will remain same. So instead of this coordinate, you can have a different coordinate also. Okay. Uh, Triangle is to be reflected about line AC. Now this AC are the point of on the triangle itself, two corners of a triangle. Now instead of line AC, you can have line PQ, whose coordinates are known. P and Q coordinates are known. So procedure will remain same, but coordinates can be different. Okay. So this triangle we have to reflect about the this line AC. Okay. So what are the steps we have which we have seen? First, any point on this line, maybe A, maybe C. It depends upon you. Okay. So out of the or maybe midpoint. Okay, there is no problem. Okay. So what I did is I translated this point A to origin. So this point A to origin, then rotate AC such that it should align with the x-axis. So AC will align with the x-axis. Then reflect about x-axis. We know the transformation matrix to reflect. Then in this step, what we have done is rotate that particular line AC. So rotate back. If it is angle is this is clockwise, so angle will be say minus value, say minus 40. So rotate back means rotate back by angle 40. This is minus 40, this will be 40. Then translate back if this distance is 1 1. So minus 1 will bring this A point to this origin. So to its original location. So Tx or Ty will be 1 1. So translate back. This is called as a inverse rotation. This is called as a inverse translation. Okay. Now, first step, this is total concatenated transformation matrix. As we know, sequence will be from right hand side to left hand side. Translation, rotation, then mirror. Okay. This is rotate back, that is inverse rotation, inverse translation. This will give you concatenated transformation matrix for this operation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 steps. Okay.
सर एक डाऊट होता सर.
काय?
एक डाऊट होता सर.
हा बोल.
सर कालचं जे सम होतं ना,
हा
त्यात पण आपल्याला रोटेट करून एक्स किंवा वाय बरोबर अलाइन करायचं होतं.
हा
जी ऍक्सिस होती. पण
हा
त्यासाठी सर अँगल नव्हता. तर तशा
अँगल
सिच्युएशन मध्ये काय करायचं?
अँगल कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा जॉमेट्रीवरनं. तो आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करावा लागेल ना. आपल्याला कोऑर्डिनेट्स माहिती आहे, आपल्याला अँगल कॅल्क्युलेट करता आला पाहिजे. येस ऑर नो? ए चे
येस सर.
कोऑर्डिनेट माहिती आहे, बी चे माहिती आहे, सी चे माहिती आहे. हा अँगल कॅल्क्युलेट करता आला पाहिजे आपल्याला. ओके.
ओके सर.
या
तसं हां. चालेल. थँक्यू सर.
this is original position. Translate. A point will be here, B point will be here, C point will be here. Rotate. This will be AC will be along here x-axis. Then reflect. It will go upside. Then rotate back. This is a rotate back. Okay. And this is a translate back. Okay. Now, as this is a line, so coordinate of A and C will remain the same. Okay. Now, if you take the mirror image, so when you find out this CT, if you put the values of A and C, you will get again the values of A and C only. So there will not be change in the value of A and C. It might happen that due to truncation error, there is a very small error between original value and the final value. It may happen that if A is 1 1 and you are getting A equal to 0.999 or 1.001. Okay, so there is no difference between these two values. You have to write down 1 1. Okay, similarly for case of a value of a C, it will be 5 5, it will remain 5 5. It may happen that 4.99 you get. Okay, so and you have to calculate the, if these two values are okay after calculate multiplying with the CT, then you will get the desired values of a coordinates of a point B. Okay. Now I have shown the calculation in the form of Excel. Okay. So there is no means instead of writing down the, because it takes more time to write down the matrix, okay, in a PPT. So instead of that, I have included this thing in the form of say your Excel sheet. These are the transformation matrix. -1 bring that point A to origin, then rotate by angle, then mirror about x-axis, that means y coordinate will be negative, then again translate back, and this is rotate back. Okay,
सर
accordingly. Yes,
ते टी आर चे व्हॅल्यू कशी आली ते सांगू शकता का 0.7071
मग अँगल आपण कॅल्क्युलेट करायचा.
कॅल्क्युलेटर
अँगल किती येतं,
हा
45 येतं, -45.
हो
मग त्याला रेडियन मध्ये कन्वर्ट करायचं आणि त्याचा कॉस थिटा साइन थिटा.
हो समजलं
ओके, हा जो अँगल आहे ना,
हो
दिस अँगल यू हॅव टू कॅल्क्युलेट. दिस इज 45. 1 1 आणि 5 5 म्हणजे
यस
ही अँगल 45 ला आहे.
हो
So -45 because clockwise rotation. If you make a mistake in taking angle as if you are taking value 45, then answer will be wrong. Okay. So
ओके
remember that anti-clockwise is positive, clockwise is negative everywhere in engineering. Okay. So from cos theta, sin theta, you can get the values. Okay. So this is just showing the multiplication, and after multiplication, you will get this transformation matrix CT is equal to like this. You will get the coordinates. You will get the coordinate A